Hello, my name is Dr. Rob Yeung. I'm a performance psychologist and a coach at a consultancy called Talent Space, and I'd like to talk to you about how you can use your support network to propel you forwards in your career. When I'm working with clients, I often encourage them to adopt what I call a board of directors to help them in their careers. Now, the idea behind this is that you need to think of yourself as the chief executive, the CEO of an enterprise, and that enterprise is, of course, you. And the idea is that you ask certain selected advisors to help you make that enterprise as successful as possible. So by asking people to get involved, you get certain benefits. For example, they can provide you with the outside view so that they can help you to see things more objectively. They can point out your weaknesses and mistakes that you've made so you can understand how to put together a plan for addressing them. You can also they can point out your strengths as well, which can be useful especially if you ever feel that you are an imposter or you have any feelings of self-doubt. And it can be useful in all sorts of scenarios, whether you're looking to change career or pursue a promotion or just go for that next job interview. Now, one step that you need to think about is who to select to join your board of advisors. And they should meet a number of criteria. For example, they should have been supportive of you for a number of years in a work context. So avoid choosing people who know you simply through social avenues or who are perhaps family members. You also need to consider them as insightful people who have knowledge about your industry or line of work. And you need to judge these people to be good at telling you the truth. So sometimes they may have to tell you things that you may not want to hear. When you have identified potential candidates, the next step is then to make an approach to them. And this needs to be a little bit more formal and thought out. So perhaps write them an email and think about explaining why you want this specific individual's help. What it is that you expect this person to do and how often you would ideally like to meet. Explain also what your career goals are so they can understand whether they can help. Then when you do meet with each of your people, which should be on a one-to-one basis, think about writing an agenda so that you take control and show that you are professional and in charge of the meeting. So think about how you will describe the issues and opportunities that you're facing. And think about questions that you can ask of each of your directors so that you can get the best quality advice from them. Now, this all takes time, of course, and it's something you need to do on top of your day-to-day responsibilities. But the idea is that by asking for good quality support, they should be able to help you and accelerate your career development.